Thozani. Salwa sendoda lesugogo bathini bathi mavula akuvale emzini noma emadoda. Hey, number one, Locksmith. The plan was to do another video, but I had this one in mind that I need to do a video. But what made me change my mind is the message I got in the morning from one of the clients. We were fighting the issue of the CCMA. Internally didn't go according to our expectations and the weight of the case. We knew which they wanted to do whatever regardless. So we taking it to the next step in terms of labor laws. However, we've decided with the client to while we are waiting for that, let's open opportunities in terms of you need to get a job, you need to get back to job, to workspace. And he sent me a message this morning, appreciating what happened, and also emphasizing in a fact ukuthi he knows and he did exactly what he knows ukuthi to do as he was told, and for doing that, now he got a better job with a better salary and a better position. So that really made my day. So guys, you normally ask me to Coco, what motivates you, what makes you to glow? It's news like that. We're not talking money, guys. He paid long time ago, so I'm not excited to he says Coco, check your bank balance. No, my bank balance is still on 200 and something rands. So we're fine with him money wise, but what he sent me, it's very important. So today's topic is inspired by that. So today I'm saying to you, Muti doesn't work the way you think. And I'll explain Uguti Koko what do I mean Uguti the way you think. I was sharing a message, a colleague of mine in this a spiritual colleague of mine, a spiritual friend actually. She sent me a message from a client, of what is the client requires a service of, in terms of she's had whatever. So there are things like I'm trying to run away actually from exact words of the video so that we don't fight with our clients, excuse me. But it was along the lines or like of saying, Coco, I want him to disappear. Not to die, but I want him to take his bags and leave forever. Coco, she wants to file for divorce. I just want her to go crazy in court and everything. Guys, there are things that you require from the healers, but when you are told of the processes of achieving that and the costs that goes with that, most of you run. And those that pays for that to happen, it's fine. They expect miracles. I think Muti has become this thing, man. It's magic. There are people that really feels Muti, it's magic, and it's not something that comes with AMA 2000. No, let's not lie about that. It's not something that came with social media. No, let's not lie to that. We grew up hearing people saying, "Hey, utuyam tubula, isbam saphuma manzi." Have you heard that? And everything. Hey, utuyam tubula, isbam sangaba. And from a very young age, I was really inquisitive when it comes to issues of how does the Muti works. I've bothered myself before I even knew ukuthi I have a calling. But it was something that I've always bothered myself, ukuthi if it does happen, what then happens? It's just that I don't have firearm, and if I knew I was going to talk about this this part, I was going to show you with a firearm. For example, ukuthi, one, there is no way that a firearm can split water instead of rounds, instead of a bullet from the total round. There's no way. No, there's no way. And I don't want somebody to prove it to me, because they'll want to point a firearm in my face. You can't point a fire in my face. I'm scared of firearms. So, because I treat any firearm as loaded. So, there's no way that the firearm, when you pull the trigger, there's no way that that firearm cannot shoot. I just want to give you a typical example in terms of firearms. So what happened? Let's say this is a trigger. No, it stands like this, right? And this is your finger. This is your firing finger. So you're holding your firearm with your finger off the trigger, right? So you want now to shoot a person that has used muti, that is preventing him to be shot, right? The muti that that other person have used will make this finger to be numb. Please listen to this. I know what I'm talking about, and I knew this before I accepted my calling. I know it for a fact. This finger will be numb. Even in Kwanchu, I don't know in Kwanchu in English, but the better word I can use is to be numb. You know, like you've heard that, you know, my whole side is numb. You know, it's like vibrating very smooth, you know, in Kwanchu yanget. So in English, I will say it's this finger, this finger that we're going to use now. Here, this is the firearm, this is the whatever, the pipe of the firearm, and this is, you know, the trigger. It's closed like this, and then your finger will come here, right? So it will be a mission. Hey, listen to this. See this. Here's your trigger. It's supposed to go there for the firearm to release the bullet from the magazine through the barrel of the firearm. So this finger is going to be numb. So by the time this finger gets here, it's extremely numb. It gets tired. So it does this. So with the firearms that has a hammer at the back, you'll hear. So the firearm, the trigger of the firearm is not pulled enough for the hammer to just release, to hit on the bullet for the bullet to come out. The finger becomes numb. That's why actually isibhamu siyancapha, because that finger. So, but you hear a person, when you explain that to a person, the person doesn't believe you. And most of the time, those guys that don't believe, they go with their wives, and they come here with their wives, then they leave, they go to somebody who will promise them that, yeah, that's true. It's not going to shoot and everything. I'll make it like that, right? And when it comes to issue of when you go there, now it doesn't work, then the wife comes back alone. It's either in hospital or you have died. You have been killed because you have relied on something that does not exist. So we are not talking firearms here. I'm just doing this video in saying to you guys that research about muti. Research ukuthi how realistic is that muti. We did a video on use muti holistically. But if you check most people, they don't. While we are busy with muti, we are doing something else that is against muti. Thinking that you'll go back to muti and upper the measurements and come back and mess up and do that and everything. Somebody said to me, I gave them the muti. Yeah, I gave them muti. I've told them that muti must be used. Fanu palaze, 7 times. Finally, steam 7 times. Obviously, when you steam, you bath 7 times. 7 times means 7 days, guys. If it's twice a day, I will tell you what if it's twice a day. However, if you steam twice a day, it's still 1 day. This client takes the muti because this client is rushing for the fact that it's his birthday and he has taken people out on his birthday. They are doing a long drive to Cape Town, right? You knew about this planned event, which is your birthday, that you want to celebrate it in the Table Mountain or in Cape Town. However, you want this muti at the same time. To me, can you say mad? Yeah, money makes you mad. Why I'm saying that is because you are supposed to put this muti thing on hold or put this birthday thing on hold and prioritize your muti or prioritize your birthday. It's up to you which one is more important. So the client comes, I give him muti and everything. He used that muti in 2.25 days. I can't remember when they were leaving. But when he came back from hospital, when I've asked him in terms of how did you use this muti, he says to me, Gogo, I've made my calculation. That is his language. Those are his words, guys. Gogo, I've made my calculations. Oh. You know, as soon as a person says that, I say, let me hear this one then. Because I know, Uguti, sometimes education makes us to not to think straight. That's why I've done a video, which is sometimes ancestors will beat you with your OP back. Will beat you up with your English because sometimes we think we know just because of we can speak a certain language, not knowing what ancestors can speak any given language on the planet. Gogo, I had a dream of my grandmother. He was speaking a foreign language, but I know what is that foreign language comes from. That is Shona. And I've made a research, Gogo. My family originates from the Shona people. Okay. Okay. That's the language of ancestors. We're not there. So the client says, Gogo, I've made my calculations. You said I must steam 7 times and I must kappa 7 times and bath with the water I was steaming with. So I've decided to do it 3 times. So I didn't eat in the morning. I only ate in the evening after I've done the third one. So I've done the first one in the morning at 6. I've done the second one at 12, and I've done the third one at 6 in the evening. Then I ate around 9 because I was extremely hungry. And I did all of this 3 times, and then on the last day, I did it in the morning because of we were leaving on that morning. That is why when he was telling me, when I was telling him, Uguti, how to use the smoothie, he was okay. There were no crashes, there were no ice cream in his leg and his hand. But when he's telling me now about the calculations, he has to say 3 plus another 3 and 1. He can't use both hands as I'm doing. It was 3, another 3, and then 1. This one, he did it on the second day, on the third day. He didn't follow instructions. The accident I told him about, it happened. The color of the car I told him about is the one that was driving behind him. The fact that I told him, what triggers me in what I was seeing then is that he was not in the car that he was involved in an accident, but however, it's his car. Not knowing what he has multiple cars. So he took all these cars to Cape Town. They didn't reach Cape Town. They didn't reach Cape Town. You tell a person, the person will come and say, hey, Gogo, at work I've been investigated. Hey, Gogo, help me this and that. Hey, Gogo, this, Gogo, that, Gogo, this, Gogo, that. Gogo, I need this, I need that. Hey, Gogo, how can you help me on this? Hey, Gogo, this, Gogo, this. Then you give them muti. Then they start using muti. I mean, they're still scared because now they got the call from the police or whatever unit and everything. At work, they haven't said anything. Then they hear ukuthi no, Usman Bani was found guilty and fired and everything. Then they think they are off the hook. Boom! They come back running. Sorry. Lalela, we start afresh. If you still want me to assist you, we start afresh, you're going to pay again. Because I gave you muti. I gave you instructions. I told you exactly what needs to be done. And I told you to come back. And you didn't want to come back because when you are assuming that you are off the hook, you're going to pay again. Call me a scammer, it's okay. It's up to you. If that makes you happy, it's okay with me. That's your opinion. It's not a fact. It's your opinion. So let's stop assuming, guys, ukuthi imithi will do what we think it will do. Find out ukuthi what the worst I can do to this person. And remember all the time, ukuthi we all have ancestors that are looking after us. Love that part. We all have ancestors that we have their best interest in them. Lalela, we all have those ancestors that they will do whatever it takes. You know, if I can dream, if I can face this challenge, and I can dream about my mom's younger sister, umamncane Kelethu, hayi khohlwa. Godwa. As I'm telling you that I woke up very flat. But the fact that she came on my dream, she always says to me, that was a soldier. So we all have those ancestors that are looking after us. So whatever that you do, if you don't filter that mindset, if you don't think of that somewhere in your mind, whatever I'm doing, it must really work. Koko, then if you say that, why then people still get hurt regardless? They still get hurt because sometimes, one, the person that is attacking now has the upper hand. Upper hand meaning he's paying revenge. He's doing something that you have done to them. Maybe you have done the worst in them, but now you have done something. Maybe they are fired at work because of your own agendas. Whatever reason. So they have an upper hand. They didn't do anything to you. You started them. So that person that is doing something or using witchcraft against you, that person has an upper hand. Period. That person has an upper hand. Trust me. So if ever you find yourself in a situation, okay, so number two, what then happens? Again, answering the same question, when you find somebody still they've been hurt in regardless they have their own ancestors and everything, you go to they've used the best. They went to a specialist. They used the best from a specialist. That's why it is very important. When you do something, when you want to do something, when you are fighting your enemy. I told you about Umkhulu Mahlangu from Klerksdorp, Northwest. Why I go in there, somebody will say, but Koko, I did come to you. You still did this. Yes, I did it because of I have an idea how it's done. I know how it's done. However, I have decided to focus on other things of coding. So Umahlangu is a specialist when it comes to that. Especially if you have an upper hand. So Gogo, I want to wake up with money full of safe. Gogo, I want to wake up with my bank balance saying I have 20 million. Gogo, I want this. Gogo, I want this. Gogo, I want this. Guys, do your research on how does the Muti works. Please. Sorry, guys, I still a flu. Do a research on how does a Muti works. That is going to assist a lot of us who are in the dark of how does the Muti works. Then at the end of the day, those who are lazy to research about the Muti and the specialists that deals with certain Muti and countries that deals with certain Muti are the ones who are saying he knows nothing about Umuti. We are bad about Umuti. Gogo, let's talk about a person that I know that I've seen. I'm not going to guns, guys. Don't think that I like guns. I hate guns. You go to a person, you are told by a person that you have seen. They have tried to shoot him and they couldn't shoot him. They couldn't shoot him. There's a third one that I didn't explain when in terms of how does Muti works. I think the firearms is the first thing that I can explain because I used to be around the people who were in the taxi industry then in the early 80s. What you'll find out is a person is shooting you, but that person that you are shooting have dealt with you in terms of the entire hand is going to be numb. Or as you are pulling the trigger, as you are about to pull the trigger, your hand is going to be numb. So as you are pulling the trigger, so you end up shooting bottom right. Like, so you miss that person. That one is possible. So the person will ask me to say, but Gogo, Usman Bane, I've saw them, many people, they've tried shooting him, even the police and everything. If you start to be a boss and you think well, now you have used something, then you go around killing people, shooting people, and be arrogant and going to a person, utisifagela, sizosfaga, and sizongena with your Muti. Because sometimes there's a mistake that we are doing. We think Uguti police, they're stupid. I don't know where we get that thinking. Uguti, according to us, police, they wake up in the morning, they bath with a soap, and they go to work, knowing very well that their job is to fight the criminals, is to fight people that are breaking the law. Let me give you something. Let me tell you something that you don't know. In the police force, you get police that are well trained and are well skilled when it comes to labafana. And they are honest deep down. You find the police who are skilled and who are equipped traditionally, who are using stuff regardless of what you have used. If I want you, I will get you. And they will never shoot you anywhere else except a can. So whenever I'm using this thing, because most of the people they think ngifake ibhande and ibhande lami is strong and everything. Sometimes you don't know even what is in that band. You don't even know what animals are used, what fat of animals is used, what are the things that are used for ibhande. Gogo, I want to disappear. When I walk inside the shop, I want to take something and just disappear. No, there's no Muti like that. One of the Muti that is used in something similar to that is Udlula Behlezi. Meaning what? The Muti that you have used it makes the person that is relevant, ukuthi, they mustn't see you. They'll be busy with something else, being pushed away by that muti. Then you'll go past. But that ndlula behlezi muti, it doesn't work alone. It's a family. It's a family of muti. Muti has relatives. There's immediate family members of umuti. Ukuthi whatever you do, these ones, they cannot be left out. There's extended family members. There's muti neighbors to say, if I don't have this family member, lo mutulo, this one muti, this one mixture that I don't have, what can I get from the neighbors? No, you can get Usbani Bani, he can also assist. That's how muti works. That's how muti works. So we need to understand umuti. When I say to you, I do have something, but it's not ready, we brew umuti. We don't just come with umuti from S13. Even the tablets that we drink, they get manufactured. It's herbs, it's chemicals, it's what it gets to go through a certain process, a certain temperature, a certain what. If you come to quality scoop Kokobatin and Kokobatin says, if it's raining like this, if it's clouded like this, I cannot give you a scoop. No, you told Coco I'm from Cape Town. What does Cape Town has to do with the process of a scoop? Muti doesn't work the way we think. No, it doesn't. Allow the person that is giving you muti to tell you what this is what the muti is going to do. And these are first things that you need to check when it comes to umuti. In closure, muti for luck. Woo! Guys, here's Ubatini is looking for muti for luck. Ubatini has been struggling for the longest of time. And Ubatini wants to get out of this struggle. Then Ubatini goes to look for muti from Ugogo, Salwa Sendot. Then Ubatini gets to Salwa Sendota for a certain muti for luck, for everything. Salwa Sendota will then give Ubatini umuti. Ubatini is 40 years of age. He goes to Salwa Sendota for umuti. And there's this language that people like. I don't know who told you guys it's sexy or it makes you a responsible person. Goka is the first time I come to such an environment. But when you talk to that person, they understand the language, the lingo of image. But in lies or it's true, it's the first time he goes out looking for help. Guys, Ubatini is 40, which means his problems are 40 years old. There's a video that is coming that I'm going to do. I'm still busy with some small things. So our problems, they have age. So let's assume Ubatini has a bad luck from the young age. So meaning Batini's problems are 40 years old. Do we really expect that Batini's problems can disappear just on that treatment that he has been given? Let's say he has been charged 5,000. Do you think that thing, Jenna, everything will disappear? No. No. Things were going well and everything. Life is nice and everything. Boom, things are going down the drain. You go out here looking for help. Then we check to say, hey, things were going well. So maybe things started going well about 2, 3, 4 years, 5 years back. That's when things started to go back. You're losing your job or you're in business, whatever. But the twist is about 5 years or so, 6 years, nyana, maximum 7 years. That's when the twist of things started to show. That's when you started to see the flame in your life. Right? So do you think with you going to Salwa Sendota or your pastor once, those things will disappear and you go back to where you were? While people who have done that to you, they've started you 15 years ago, and it was different generations. To you, when you saw it, the twist, to you, the twist was just 5, 6, 7 years. But you don't know, Uguti, how deep is that thing? Yes, you don't know. Did you find out? Did you find out? No, we don't find out. We assume that now we can go through this. Ubala lolo. Guys, Muti doesn't work the way we think. Koko, I've been unemployed. I've never had a pay slip in my life. I'm educated. I didn't go even to school, Koko. I'm doing small jobs and everything, but now I have a family. I want to do something. It's a process, guys. It's a process. That's why we find ourselves in situations whereby we cry on social media, we do what. It's because of we don't want to follow the process. It's a process, guys. And that process starts with you. How ready are you? How willing are you to do what it takes? Your priorities are very important. There are people that they still want to go and sleep with somebody, but you have a case that you're dealing with, a critical case for that matter. Why don't you ask? To me, I'll tell you that when we are in this phase, no sex. When we are here and here and here, you can be free. But there are people who want to go on with their normal lives while they are dealing with something critical, financially, marriage, work-wise, education-wise, whatever. How you respect Muti, that alone, you have an upper hand. Doing as you are told. Follow up. You tell somebody that I need a follow-up in 3 months. That person comes in 3 years. And that person wants you to still work on that as if they were there for 3 months. No, it doesn't work like that. We're starting afresh. You're going to pay again. Because on that 3 years, you are collecting. When I say 3 months, I know with the Muti, if you came to me, I know with the Muti that I gave you, it's impossible. Sorry. It's really, really impossible for people to hit on you because of the treatment I gave you. So when I say 3 months, I know what I'm talking about. It's not something that I sit down and say, what system will I use? No. No. It's like when I refer you to say, no, on this one, you need to go to Ukoko Keleso. Then you tell me, no, Koko, I want you to help me. But I'm sending you to a person that I know they will do this with their eyes closed. Salwa Sendot, Muti doesn't work the way we think it works. Unfortunately, we can go argue with our ancestors, we can go argue with our healers, our pastors, our grandmothers, our fathers, our partners, and everything. No, it doesn't. How many people have got Idliso, but it never worked? We'll talk about it now. Bottom line, Muti doesn't work the way we think.